Hey, everyone! It's FX Videos here, coming at you with today's Forex rundown for October 23, 2024. Stick around to the end, because we'll also dive into what could move the markets tomorrow, October 24th. If you're trading or just keeping an eye on the market, this forecast will give you some solid insights. So, let's jump right in. Today's Forex highlights, October 23, 2024. Today was an active day in the Forex markets, with key movements across major currency pairs. Traders had their eyes glued to the charts as some important economic data was released. Euro to US dollar. The euro took a slight dip against the dollar today, closing at around 1.0650. A lot of this was due to the release of weaker-than-expected PMI data from Germany. With manufacturing still struggling to recover, traders reacted by selling off the euro. The US dollar, on the other hand, remained strong after solid retail sales numbers earlier in the month. Pound sterling to US dollar. The British pound remained pretty steady today, hovering around the 1.2150 level. Although inflation data from the UK came in slightly lower than expected, the market didn't overreact. Many traders are waiting for Bank of England's next move, especially with the central bank hinting at a potential pause in rate hikes. US dollar to Japanese yen. The Japanese yen continued to weaken against the dollar, pushing towards 150.75. Japan's central bank is still holding on to its ultra-loose monetary policy, and with the US Fed sticking to its higher interest rates, this pair continues to look bullish for the dollar. Australian dollar to US dollar. The Aussie dollar faced a bit of pressure today, trading around 0.6300. Australia's weaker-than-expected job numbers from last week are still weighing on sentiment. Plus, with China's slowdown, which is one of Australia's key trading partners, it's not looking great for the AUD right now. What to watch for on October 24, 2024. Now that we've recapped today, let's look ahead to tomorrow, October 24th. There are a few things you should keep an eye on that could shake up the Forex markets. US dollar. Tomorrow, we're going to get the US Durable Goods Orders Report. This report is a key indicator of the country's manufacturing sector. If the numbers come in strong, expect the dollar to maintain its strength, especially against currencies like the euro and yen. But if it misses expectations, we could see some selling pressure on the USD. Eurozone. Over in Europe, the focus will be on the European Central Bank's upcoming statement. While no immediate rate hike is expected, traders will be listening closely for any hints on future policy direction. If the ECB leans dovish, the euro could slide further, and we might see euro to US dollar break below 1.0600. British pound. Tomorrow also brings us some consumer confidence data from the UK. With inflation cooling, the market's been cautious, but if consumer confidence shows any improvement, the pound could regain some strength. Commodities impacting Forex. For those keeping an eye on commodity-driven currencies, like the Australian and Canadian dollars, oil prices will be important. There's been a lot of volatility in the energy markets lately. Any big swings could ripple through Forex, particularly for pairs like US dollar to Canadian dollar and Australian dollar to US dollar. My forecast for tomorrow. So, what am I expecting for October 24th? Well, I think the US dollar will continue to show strength, especially if that durable goods report surprises to the upside. We might see euro to US dollar test lower levels, and the US dollar to Japanese yen could edge closer to the 151 mark, barring any intervention from Japan's central bank. For the British pound, I think it's a coin toss at this point. Unless we see some surprisingly positive consumer confidence numbers, I expect it to hover around the same levels as today. When it comes to the commodity currencies like AUD and CAD, I think they'll remain under pressure unless there's a big turnaround in commodity prices. Wrapping it up. So there you have it. That's my take on today's Forex movements and what we might see tomorrow. Remember, the markets are always full of surprises, so be sure to stay informed and adjust your trading strategy as new data comes in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more daily Forex updates. And as always, drop any questions or thoughts you have in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Stay sharp out there, traders.